NBCP 7160 Remote Control Hydraulic Cable Braking Device. The high voltage cable phi 小于等于 160 mm shall be safely ground stud for grounding. 25毫米 ground wire conductive. Lower sling. phi 4毫米 steel nail card block. LED provide auxiliary lighting. Rings easy straps. Touch buttons control LCD page turning. OLED LCD display pull status. Start button. All return button. 18V 5.0 ampere hour lithium battery. Battery lock easy to plug and unplug. Screw easy to assemble and disassemble with butterfly nut. Remote control. To achieve more than 60米 remote control. The head can be rotated 180度. NBCP 7160 Remote Control Hydraulic Cable Braking Device. Product application. With 25毫米 grounding conductive and grounding studs. To prevent power leakage or failure in the cable. Puncture with standard type of steel nails. Easy to replace. With the wing nut disassembly, installation and fixation is extremely convenient. Can be installed at any angle. Built-in high-pressure relief valve, automatic pressure jump protection after reaching the overflow pressure. Clamping cable. The length of the two screws is the same after tightening, and the upper and lower clamping plates are parallel. Clamping cable. The length of the two screws is the same after tightening, and the upper and lower clamping plates are parallel. Press the power button to enter remote mode. Remote operation can be realized through wireless remote control to ensure personnel safety. Overload protection for hydraulic system. Steel needle vertical penetration. Easy disassembly.